Okay, folks. Vivian, you told me you had a good weekend. I'm glad. So did I. But it says that you have a friend, and this friend keeps a record of your football team's gains and losses on each play of a game. The record for a sequence of downs is shown below, but part of it is missing. That part, I think. Okay? Find the missing information by writing and solving an addition equation. Okay? All right, well, let's see what we get here. Now, this little graph tells us that this is what we got on a specific play, but this is our overall gain or loss since the beginning. Okay? Now, what did I do on first down, Vivian?
You gained 2 yards.
So I'm just going to put 2. That means positive 2, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
So I gained 2 yards. What did I do on second down?
On second down, you lost 5 yards.
I lost 5 yards. So do you agree I'm just going to do minus 5?
Yes.
Okay. What about on third down?
You gained 7 yards.
So is that plus 7 or minus 7?
That's plus 7.
Okay. And I don't know what I got on the fourth down. So what do you think I should put there?
Question.
You know what? I'm going to put, instead of a question mark, I'm going to put X.
All right.
Okay? I don't know if I gained it or lost it or what. I don't know. It's going to tell me though. Okay? I know my overall, after all those plays are put together, I have a loss of 7 yards. Do you agree I'm going to put minus 7?
Yes.
Everybody see what we did? We just wrote the equation. Now, there's another rule that I'm going to give to you, which I'm beating into the heads of my 8th graders. Some of them I didn't have to beat. Others are taking a little more pounding than I would expect, but they're getting it. Okay? We must always simplify, then solve. Okay? Now, Mr. C, what does that mean? Solving means doing something to both sides of the equation, like we did in example 1. Emma subtracted 9 from both sides. Aiden subtracted 8 from both sides. Okay? We had to do it from both sides. That's what solving means, to get the variable by itself. But simplifying means just put together the things that we can put together. Okay? So Vivian, you're going to do this part for me. I've got 2, I've got minus 5, and I've got plus 7. I've got those 3 things that I need to put together. What is 2 positives and 5 negatives? What does that turn into?
3 negatives.
3 negatives. I'm just going to rewrite it. You don't have to, because you can probably, well, you can probably do that in your head. Now what about 3 negatives and 7, because I still have these 7 positives. That turned into 3 negatives. What does 3 negatives and 7 positives turn into?
4 positives.
4 positives. So 4 plus x is equal to negative 7. Right? How do I make, well, first, Elise, is x by itself? It's not by itself. What number is with it? Positive 4. How do I make positive 4 go away? You want me to just cover it up like that? No. Do you agree that if I subtract 4 from both sides, it goes away? Okay, what does this turn into, Elise? That turns into 0. Do I need to write it down? No, I can just write x, can't I? And on the other side, what's negative 7 and negative 4 turn into? Now, let me ask you this. Raise your hand. What did the x stand for? What did it stand for? Emma?
Negative 11.
No, that's what it equals, but what does x mean? What was it? Aiden?
Fourth down.
It was 4th down. So tell me, Aiden, what happened on 4th down?
They lost 11 yards.
They lost 11 yards. Perfect explanation. Good job. All right? Excellent. Let's look at the next one.